In today's fast-paced world, mental health has become as important as physical health. With rising stress levels, anxiety and depression, people are looking for effective ways to enhance their mental well-being. One of the most powerful yet often overlooked methods is physical activity. Regular exercise not only strengthens the body, but also improves mental health by reducing stress, enhancing mood, and boosting self-confidence. In this article, we explore how physical activity benefits mental well-being, and why incorporating exercise into daily life is crucial for a healthier mind. Physical activity plays a significant role in reducing stress and anxiety. When we exercise, our body releases endorphins, chemicals that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. These endorphins help in reducing stress levels and promoting a sense of well-being. Engaging in activities like jogging, swimming, or yoga allows the body to regulate stress hormones, such as cortisol and adrenaline. High levels of these hormones can lead to increased anxiety, fatigue, and tension. However, regular exercise keeps them in check, helping individuals feel more relaxed and focused. Additionally, physical activity provides an opportunity to take a break from daily stressors. Whether it's going for a walk in nature or participating in a sports game, exercise shifts attention away from worries, creating a form of active meditation that calms the mind. Depression is a serious mental health condition affecting millions of people worldwide. While medication and therapy are common treatments, exercise has emerged as a powerful natural remedy. Studies show that physical activity stimulates the production of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters responsible for feelings of happiness and pleasure. Regular exercise has been found to be as effective as antidepressants for mild to moderate depression. Activities such as cycling, strength training, or dance can significantly improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Exercise also provides a sense of accomplishment, boosting self-worth and motivation. Moreover, structured physical activity creates routine and discipline, which is crucial for those struggling with depression. Having a fitness schedule ensures individuals stay engaged and focused on their well-being. Physical activity is not just beneficial for emotional well-being, it also improves cognitive function and memory. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, supplying it with oxygen and essential nutrients. This enhances brain function, sharpens concentration, and improves problem-solving skills. Studies suggest that aerobic exercise such as running or swimming promotes the growth of new brain cells and strengthens neural connections. This is particularly important in preventing cognitive decline and reducing the risk of conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Furthermore, regular physical activity enhances creativity and mental clarity. Many people find that engaging in exercise helps them think more clearly and come up with innovative ideas. Sleep is essential for both physical and mental health. Lack of sleep can lead to increased stress, irritability, and poor cognitive function. Exercise helps regulate sleep patterns by promoting deeper and more restful sleep. Physical activity increases body temperature, which has a calming effect on the mind. Additionally, exercise helps regulate the circadian rhythm, the body's internal clock that controls sleep-wake cycles. Engaging in activities such as yoga, stretching, or light jogging before bedtime can help relax the body and prepare it for restful sleep. It is important to note that while exercise improves sleep, intense workouts close to bedtime may have the opposite effect by increasing alertness. Therefore, it's best to exercise earlier in the day, or at least a few hours before sleep. Contribute to improved self-worth and overall happiness. Life is full of challenges, and developing emotional resilience is crucial for mental well-being. Exercise teaches discipline, patience, and perseverance, qualities that help individuals cope with stress, setbacks, and failures. Regular physical activity instills a sense of control over one's body and mind. It teaches individuals to push through discomfort and overcome obstacles, which can be applied to everyday life situations. People who exercise regularly often report feeling more capable of handling stress and adversity. Incorporating physical activity into daily life is a powerful way to enhance mental well-being. Exercise reduces stress and anxiety, combats depression, improves cognitive function, promotes better sleep, boosts self-confidence, and builds emotional resilience. The benefits of physical activity extend beyond physical fitness, providing a holistic approach to mental health. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance class, weight training, or a yoga session, Finding an activity that brings joy and movement is essential. Making exercise a regular part of life can lead to a happier, healthier, and more balanced mind. So, take a step towards better mental health, move your body, and uplift your spirit.